This Kinex Cappers filling and capping line offers a seamless and efficient way to streamline your production. Empty bottles can be placed on a rotating accumulation table, with an unscrambler, to assist as they flow onto the primary conveyor. The bottles then enter the filling station mounted on the conveyor. When a pair of bottles reaches a checkpoint, the dual filling head of the Kinex Cappers Relia-Fill descends to precisely fill the bottles to a desired volume. The next step of the bottling process is cap placement. In this line, a single operator is performing this task with the help of the Kinex Cappers cap feeding gate system. The gate system holds a number of bottles in a queue on the conveyor until the operator has successfully placed the caps. The bottles then enter the final stage of the production line, the capping station. Here, the Kinex Cappers Relia-Cap separates the pairs using a gate and sensor system before tightening each cap with a high-torque accuracy motor. The bottling process ends with another accumulation table mounted at the end of the conveyor. Using the machines featured in this video, you can reach rates of 30 to 40 bottles per minute, but higher production rates can be achieved by taking advantage of Kinex Cappers' flexible options for different scales of production. Call and speak to one of our industry experts to start building your dream production line today.